New details tonight in a lawsuit against the city of Varnell, Georgia. Last week, a federal judge denied the city's motion to dismiss a case against it, claiming negligence in supervision of its police department. Our Meredith Aldis learned more about what led to this. She joins us now live in the studio. Meredith.
Greg, a sergeant in the police department, pleaded guilty to charges of sexual battery in January of last year. The victim says there's more to be done.
What has happened to actually repair the damage? So far, zero.
The Whitfield County Sheriff's Office says in a report on January 5th, 2018, an engaged couple was fueling up at a gas station when Varnell Police Sergeant Patrick Hayes struck up a conversation with the couple. They all knew each other.
She turns around and he smacks her on her rear end. She quickly turns around and says, "Don't do that." And he says to her, "Do you want me to do that again?"
Hayes resigned. He had been with Varnell PD for almost 11 years. Hayes pleaded guilty to sexual battery and was sentenced to 12 months of probation. Now the victim has filed a complaint asking for damages against the sergeant and the city of Varnell. She claims negligence in the supervision of its police department, saying it's responsible for training policies and procedures.
Officers would commonly speak to one another in language that endorses sexual misconduct.
Awad says it's not the first time the GBI has investigated Sergeant Hayes.
If there's multiple people that have said, there's a problem here, there's an officer, in this case a sergeant, on your police force that is doing something disturbing, and it's just doesn't sit well, why did the city of Varnell Police Department not do anything about it?
The victim is seeking at least $250,000 in damages.
The individuals that are going to be selected on a jury are going to have to examine the extent of those damages.
The city ordered a motion to dismiss the case, saying the victim failed to give timely and proper notice of the claim, but her attorney disagrees.
I personally sent that ante litem notice.
The circuit judge denied the city's motion.
If someone actually goes to that step and takes some responsibility, some accountability, then it would have been met very differently.
The city still has 8 days to respond to the complaint. The attorney for the city of Varnell says they will continue to defend themselves. Reporting live in the studio, Meredith Aldis, Channel 3 Eyewitness News.